Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your Ubisoft account to your Twitch account. So make sure to watch until the end to learn all the steps to get your account connected seamlessly. Let's dive in. Open the Twitch account and make sure that you're logged into your account and then click on this profile icon which you will find in the top right corner and a drop down menu will open up like this. Now click on settings. Now here in the settings section, navigate to the connections tab and here scroll down until you see Ubisoft option. Here you can see this. Now all you need to do is click on this connect button which is next to Ubisoft option and a new window will pop up prompting you to log in with your Twitch account. So click on get started. Now here click on login with Twitch and after that you will need to authorize the connection. So click on authorize to proceed. Next you will see a prompt asking if you accept cookies. So click on I accept to continue. And now here you have to enter your email address and password in the provided fields. And once you've entered your details, click on login. And with that, your Ubisoft account is now linked to Twitch. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.